Welcome to Quick Tips. I'm Max. Today we're introducing QuickJack's brand new frame extension adapters. Check them out. So, these frame extensions have been in the works for a while and they're finally ready to go. Each adapter sits right on top of a BL 5000 or 7000 SLX frame and extends your lift point spread an extra 6 inches. That means you can now convert your SLX standard length QuickJack into an EXT extended length model and back again. Each adapter is made from the same badass 14 gauge steel as QuickJack, and you don't need show-stopping muscles like mine to lift them up. See? I can do bicep curls like a boss. But more important, here's how to install one of these bad boys on your frames. Simply lay the extension adapter over the top of the QuickJack. It sits right into the tray and pokes out 3 inches on each end. Notice that your lift now sits 1.5 inches taller above the ground. Place the rubber blocks at the proper lift points and slide the frame under your car. Once the blocks are lined up, grab that remote and you know the rest. So, if you're ready to add great versatility to your QuickJack, press like on this video and go to quickjack.com to order yours. We'll see you next week for another great quick tip and more workout advice from me. What? I'm not skinny. I'm lean, like a hungry cat.